Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency on TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. What you have to do is tap on the chart option that you can see right next to the option watch list. Now you'll be led to the chart interface. You'll be able to view the chart over here. You can open any chart of your choice. So if you want to change the currency, what you have to do is look at the top right corner of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find the currency that is chosen right now. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find all the currencies. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply find the currency of your choice. If you do not find the currency over here, you can also search for it in the search bar. If you find it over here, simply tap on the currency that you want to change to. Now you can see over here the currency will be changed. So that is how you change currency on TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.